Welcome to Disney's Blizzard Beach. We are so excited to take you along on this fun-filled day and explore all that this Disney water park has to offer.
Okay, so how cute is this little photo spot? It does have some water coming off of it just to get you prepared for all the fun you're about to have. This is pretty close to the entrance. Here is Lotta Wada Lodge. This is a quick service here. It's right near the front. And then we also have some shopping over here at the beach house, which is where we're headed because I need more clothes. And I usually am an overpacker, but this trip I just packed one extra outfit, which I've already used. So here we are, and they have lots of stuff. What I love the most is that, oh look, all this chalk. Ah, so cute. Snowman, Olaf. Have a nice day. Oh, this is so sweet. You made the Pluto one? It looks so good. It looks great. Okay. That is awesome. Do y'all do them throughout the day?
Yes, ma'am.
Cool. Very cool. So this is right outside. Right outside the shopping. So we've got swimsuits. Lots of cute stuff. Some traditional tanks, some biker shorts, hats, little kids stuff. They have everything you would need. They even have some merchandise that you can find in the parks, like spirit jerseys, backpacks, some lounge flies, lots of fun stuff, snacks. Overall, I'm really impressed with the options. Lots of fun towels. So cute. They even have like a Blizzard Beach specific towel. Let me show you the Blizzard Beach merchandise. So cute. We love the theming of this one.
We discovered this park is divided into 3 slopes: the purple slope, the red slope, and the green slope. This little ride right here is the chairlift. It is a colorful, scenic ride up to the summit of Mount Gushmore, where you will find Summit Plummet, which is a 12-story drop. Needless to say, Beasley nor I rode that one. The Slush Gusher, which is a 90-foot-long water slide, and the Teamboat Springs, which is a fun family raft ride. Just a fun way to get to the top of Mount Gushmore and enjoy these particular 3 rides. This water park, just like all of Disney parks, is full of wonderful snacks, both salty and sweet. You can get a full meal, or here at the Avalunch, you can get fully loaded nachos. And Beasley and I's, one of our favorite snacks, was found right here at IC Expeditions, the ice cream sandpail. Wonderful treat that you will see us enjoy later. The Ski Patrol training camp, full of intermediate slides and fun obstacles. Another great little place for the littles. Splash pads, little slides. Great place for the littles to enjoy, and you can sit in the shallow water and enjoy as well. Stay cool. Here's some of the cabanas that you can rent. And they will kindly reserve them for you.
We just looked at that.
Love us some Mickey sprinkles.
Got a little sand pail, little ice cream sand pail. We're gonna dig in and see what's inside.
Do it.
Spoons up.
Shovels up.
Let's see.
No,
look.
it's chocolate and vanilla, right?
I think so.
With Mickey sprinkles, whipped cream, and KK already ate the cherry.
Yeah,
Thank you very
sorry.
much.
You didn't get to look for that.
Yeah, I didn't want to. Yeah, good.
Cute thing to get for the kiddos. Definitely shareable. Okay, now it's Beasley's turn to take a bite with the shovel. Shovel it in, Beasley.
I'm so excited. There's Oreo, syrup, and waffle cone at the bottom. Keep digging, people. You're a little spoiled. Just here guiding you along the lazy river. Your personal assistant.
What are we doing, Beasley?
You're welcome. You get your tube and I get to guide you down the lazy river.
That is wonderful, Beasley.
Excellent service.
You're gonna get a really big tip.
That's more Bang and Epcot.
The s'more thing. Wait, this sounds like it'll be funny. Jump. You can do it. Jump, Beasley. Jump. Woohoo!
I'm gonna do the easy way.
She's in.
We're in. You're fine. Okay, you gonna hang on?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna do it. Lift it over your head. I did.
But she wants to sit on it like
Sit
this.
on it, like that.
Okay, now from there, jump.
Huh?
From there, jump. Up on top. From where you are. Push down on it and jump.
Yeah.
Okay.
I need you to hold on to me.
Okay. This is Beasley trying to get into the water tube. It's the best. Woohoo! Beasley made it! We did not film the whole ordeal because, just in case. Beasley's now in the tube. The lazy river at Blizzard Beach. Here it is. Overcast day. Sun's been in and out.
Let's tell them about our race ride that we did.
Okay, go ahead. Tell us about that one, Beasley.
So it was supposed to be a 30-minute wait. So KK decides to go down to the bottom of the ride to film me coming at the end of the ride. And was waiting so long, she got about 25 other people and never got me.
Because I got tired of filming everyone else's family. And so I gave up and went and got into the wave pool.
Yes, as you should have. This was a long time. So Tintin only recommend if there's no wave. That's the story. Lazy River, recommend all the time.
The lazy river is a great place to cool off. Beautiful scenery, trees that provide wonderful shade, places to explore, and just relax. A great place to just relax. Hi, Beasley.
Just want you to know.
Did you get wet?
So we're in after that. There's like 2 small pockets of like ice cold water.
Yeah.
I hit them both. I
You
feel
hit them
very
both.
refreshed.
That's so exciting.
Very alive and awake.
Yeah, I managed to go around those.
Yeah, you did, huh?
Yeah, I did.
Good. Y'all can push us if you need to.
And here's another wonderful view. And right outside the gates of Blizzard Beach awaits more family fun. Winter Summerland Miniature Golf.